Yo, we lit. Catch him. Alright, what's good, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? I went and got my resonators cut off. That's a bad decision. So I'm back at the muffler shop. If y'all need some muffler shop work done, come to McDonald's Muffler. It's in Mobile, Alabama. Yeah, I won't focus, but yeah, I'm finna cut the mufflers off. That's what I should have did the first time, but somebody told me to cut the resonators off because they thought it was gonna be louder. But yeah, come back to y'all whenever they cut it back off and you gonna hear the real sound, because that was some bullshit. Whatever I got done, I'm mad. I had got rained out. Luckily, I ain't been really having no time. Y'all see, we in that do thing, y'all, man. Stop pulling. Real scat motherfucker. But yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera back on whenever they, I'm finna pull it in right now. Whenever they get done, y'all gonna hear that motherfucker. Alright, y'all, they just got done doing that muffler delete. The resonators and the mufflers cut off. Let's see how it sounds.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Alright, YouTube, we just got back from the muffler shop. It did sound good. Oh my mama, it did sound so good. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to the tent shop. And let me off, I gotta get some shit done. Yeah, man. Real things, but yeah, I'm going to get some tent. And then I gotta wrap that thing 5% 21 shit. And then that'll be probably it for this video. When I get to the tent shop, I'll turn the camera on. Alright, y'all, we just got the tent shop. I'm gonna put some tent on. I can't wait to actually start doing stuff to this car, bro. It's gonna be crazy, bro. Y'all stay tuned, for real. No cap. Got that tent on there, y'all. Mind y'all business. And the windshield, y'all can't see nothing in that motherfucker. I mean, you see a little bit, but yeah, that bitch, I feel like it still ain't louder than the Daytona though. That bitch straight. Nah. I'm finna hit it. Finna hit it. Alright, appreciate it, bro. Y'all be safe.
Several days later.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nazar, and we back with another video. So today, we doing a thing. I'm finna debadge my car. I already took some of them off, but I haven't took the rest of it off. We're gonna do we're gonna black this out, black all this out, and we're gonna do the tail light tint with the design on there. Y'all stay tuned, cause they be. I ain't do too much for my Daytona, but this one right here, I guess, y'all, it's a real scatty pack, you know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of shit coming to our channel into this car, for real. Oh yeah, I got that tint, I had to do it. Yeah, it's Zersky, 20 on the front, 5 on the side, mind your business, motherfucker. Yeah, but when I get a little further, I'm gonna tap back in y'all, show y'all what I'm doing. I got the heat gun, taking this off. I got some glue gun so it can, the stuff, the letters and shit won't stay on. Damn, this shit hot. The residue won't stay on there. And when I get finished with that, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Alright, y'all, I just took all the letters off. To get the adhesive off, I used this right here. It worked pretty good, but I can kind of like see like the letters. I don't know how. I'm gonna get that off. I'm not really worrying about it. I seen somebody like buffering it out. I might have to find somebody to buffer it out, but you only can see it from a certain angle, so I'm not really tripping about it. It'll be alright. But yeah, I'm gonna put this tail light in on there, then I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Alright, y'all, we just finished it, and it look good. I'm gonna show you how it look. Put up in that scat. Look, I did that shit myself. That shit look good as heck. Yeah, this shit look good. I can't wait to put my diffuser, my wicker pull it off. This shit gonna be hard. Mama. Alright.
Several months later.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nazi World, and we back with another video. Today, we're gonna be putting on some on the scat, man. We can't say Daytona no more because we got that scat. But we're gonna be putting on a new red diffuser. I got tired of like the little plane, so we got it right here. Everything. Finna be putting that thing on here. I was finna put it on right here, but it's too fucking hot. I'm gonna put it on in the shade, but I'm gonna turn my car around. Ain't gonna do that. 1, 2. Yeah, well, finna put this thing on here, and then I ain't even opened it yet. I'm really ready to put the thing on here. I got some new stuff coming, y'all. This is not gonna be red, even though I don't know if y'all know what I got inside, but we got them, y'all. Got my boy, y'all. Can't go bad, go cool bad, y'all. And we got them red seats, y'all. Didn't know. Finna put that thing on here. But this build gonna be crazy, bro. I swear. Like, it gonna be bad, the best fucking. I think so. Yeah. But I'm gonna record it as I'm going through it, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I look after. All right, y'all. This is my little setup. How I'm gonna do everything. Where I'm gonna lay down on, cause out there, boy, you probably been dead. But yeah, this how it looked before. This all I got. Hopefully, this should be enough. And I got a tag. Don't know, y'all. I got a tag. I got an order, so I'm still waiting for it to come in. You know, we do not rock normal tags. We get personalized tags over here, man. But yeah, I'm kind of tired. It'll be alright though. Alright, YouTube, you might got a problem. I got the thing to take these off right here. But to take these off, I don't got no socket wrench. And on the diffuser that I got, the shit ain't got no holes in it. These fine, because I can probably puncture these. But these gonna take the fucking rivets, and I don't have like a drill. So I'm probably finna go to the store and buy it. And I'm gonna be right back. Oh yeah, this bitch sounds so good. Let me get you a cold start. It ain't cold, but it sounds wonderful. Alright, y'all. We just went and got this. We probably need like one of those small ones in there. But the thing I be recording my YouTube videos on, my sister got it, so I'm finna go get that. Then I'm finna go try to find somebody that got a fucking drill bit, because I don't know how the hell I'm gonna drill it unless I just make a hole with a knife or something. That's probably what I'm gonna do eventually if I don't find nobody, but that's what we finna go do right now. And then I'm gonna get back to what I was doing. Alright, just got back to the house. I got the thing, I got my little, this is what I'll be recording on. Put my phone in there. I'm gonna set y'all up so y'all can like see how everything going, how I took it off, and yeah.
was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, YouTube, we got the diffuser on. It looked good as fuck. Y'all seen I had that little struggle with it, but it's some holes. Like the diffuser don't come with those holes right there. You gotta literally put your own hole. So I'm probably finna have to go to the store so you don't have those under here. Like the diffuser don't come with the holes already, so you literally have to go. We got a drill bit, so I'm probably gonna have to go buy a drill. Finna have to go buy a drill just so I can make the holes. Hopefully, when I'm finna probably go to Walmart and go buy a drill very fast and put the holes in there myself. All right. So I ain't had to go buy a drill. My partner had one, so that was good because I ain't feel like spending no more money today on some bullshit I only gonna use for one time. Well, I'm probably use again, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna have to take it off, take this diffuser off, and then put it against this one. Put it against this one so I can know where the holes line up at. And then when I put it on there, it won't be so hard because when I try to put the things in there, you couldn't really tell where to do it without it. You know what I'm saying? Well, you probably don't, but yeah. But we got the drill right here, and then my tag just came in, boy. That bitch so clean. I'm gonna show y'all whenever I put it on there. All right, I'm finna take this off and then put it on there and make sure holes line up, and then I'm gonna put it back on. All right. Alright, y'all, I just finished putting the diffuser on, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit is not for the weak. On my mama. That diffuser, putting that bit on is not for the weak. But, you know, I'm a soldier, you know what I'm saying? I get through with everything. I had to nigga rig some shit, but that bit ain't coming off. But, yeah. Scat. See, I'm telling y'all, man, this is gonna be a good journey with this. I'm taking it slow because I don't want to move too fast. But yeah, she gonna be looking nice. Probably around this time next year. Boy. Let me show you, man. I gotta do another cold start. They bit and put my ass to the test. I think I gotta go treat myself.
Perfect.
Yo, we lit. Catch him. Can't even see that no more. Hey, bitch. Say, it's so smoked I can't even see nothing. Oh shit! Come here, like this, man. Shit! That bitch going crazy. Yo. Hey, where you all here, man?
Yeah, man, y'all already know how we do it.
Nah, you got a little life, though.
Yeah, I got a little light, but damn.
Nah, them bitches, I just burnt those hoes,